and I'm going to say this on Sunday, right? There was this other Syrian guy who came from Palmyra, that ancient city with ISIS has destroyed. Right? And now, the night before, because I've got to launch this book, I was reading a story, one of the stories I didn't know. And it's set in a Shtetl it's in Melbourne, but it's a Shtetl, I think, called Zarnof. Zarnof or Zarnof, I can't remember the name offhand. And it's these landslide, it's called landslide, it's called compatriots in English, it's and these typical Goldhard characters. And the son of this guy shows him that Zarnof has been bombed, so it must have been set, in the 1940s. And, the kind of like the line that threads through it is, Zarnof is no more. Zarnof is no more. And it comes up in that story. Yesterday, we were sitting around the coffees, and we mentioned Palmyra, and this guy turns to me and says, Palmyra is no more. And a chill goes up your spine, and you say, this is the first generation story, and it's also the story of immigrants and refugees who, whilst they're here, their communities are getting destroyed. So to me, that's at the heart and soul of who I was as a kid and what I picked up, as a kid.